Shinar, he rises tall, a hunter, a tyrant, a king to enthrall. Steel in his grip and fire in his veins, Nimrod the mighty brings kingdoms in chains. He whispers defiance into the wind, bow before me, your new God King. But the sky trembles, heaven takes note, pride fills the land like a tightening rope. Marching armies, drums of war, building towers to heaven's door. Voices chanting, hearts of stone, a rebel king on a stolen throne. Rebellion against the throne of heaven. Rise! Nimrod leads the world astray. In the fire, in the ash, hear the people obey. Fall! God's thunder cracks the sky. Scatter the nations, confuse their cry. This tower will crumble, this kingdom will rot. No man stands against the Lord of hosts, God! God! Stones climb upward, scraping the blue. A stairway of arrogance men dare to pursue. Reach the heavens, take the throne, make our name eternal, our glory alone. But heaven watches with burning eyes, a storm awaken across the skies. Language twist, the voices break, the rebel's empire begins to quake. Confusion roaring through the crowd, voices fractured, thunder loud. Walls are shaking, kingdoms fall, Nimrod's rebellion meets the cold. Rise! Nimrod leads the world astray. In the fire, in the ash, hear the people obey. Fall! God's power shakes the land, the pride of nations, crushed by his hand. No tower stands tall, no tyrant stands strong. You can fight heaven, you will not last long. Mortals reach for the throne of light, but you can't kill truth and you can't stop might. Shattered tongues scatter like dust. Kingdom